In this video, I'm going to share with you a really cool feature that Descript has, and that is to create your voice, your overdub voice. There's a lot of AI tools out there, but what a lot of people don't realize about Descript is that there's a lot that it can do. It's like an all-in-one platform. So some of the things that it can do is you can create videos right in there. You can do your, if you have Ecamm, you can incorporate that right into your Descript. You can upload video files to Descript and have them all transcribed. You can remove your ums and other filler words that you use right from the transcript. It creates transcripts for you right away as it's uploading your video. And then it will also, so you can go through, remove your ums and so's and things like that. You can then turn that into a blog post. You can copy and paste it over into Google Docs and write your blog post or directly into WordPress or NeuroWriter or ChatGPT or whatever you want to, firm it up and make it better. There's a lot of things that you can do with Descript that you might not know about. So my link to Descript is in my description below. So make sure I am an affiliate of Descript. I use it. We use it all the time in our company. So it is something that we are learning and my video team knows very well. I don't know it as well as my video team does because they're the ones who do all of the videos and I do a few of the things. So now one of the things I wanted to show you is, because I know a lot of you will go buy separate AI tools. So there's AI tools like 11, what I can't remember what it's called now. You can put it in the comments, but it's a specific voice generator to mimic your voice. Well, Descript does that too, so you don't have to be bouncing in and out of apps in order to be able to do this. So what you can do is you can train Descript to create your voice, and then you can write, it will read your transcripts, or you can upload your blog posts and it will speak them for you. So, but before you do that, you need to train the voice. So I'm going to go through some of the steps. I've already done mine, so I'm going to show you mine, and I'm a little, well, it's either that I don't hear my voice the same way you guys do, and Descript is really good, or I need to fine tune my voice, because I'll share it with you after I go through the steps, that my voice, I know I'm almost 65 years old. I didn't realize how crackly it is. You know how when you get older, you hear older people talk and they have that crackle in their voice? Oh my gosh, I think I have it. If I do have that crackle in my voice in my videos, can you comment? My feelings won't get hurt. Well, yeah, they will. But it's reality, I guess. So if you could put in the comments if you hear my crackly, if my voice is really cracking. I want to kind of work on that a little bit. I get excited and maybe that's when it happens. And now I'm trying to tone my voice down a little bit to see if that is reduced. And because we don't hear ourselves the same way other people hear us, that might be part of the problem. So let's see. What you're going to do is you're going to open up Descript, and you'll see this this left-hand column here, which has your drive and projects, quick recordings, shared with me, download, and then you see voices. So you're going to click on voices, which that's where I'm at right here. And then my voice is already here, but I'm going to show you the steps. We're going to go to create new voice. And remember, my link for Descript is in the description area. So you can click on my affiliate link and get started. So here, let me move my video out of the way. So now we're going to have to create a name. So I'm going to create a different name. I'm going to do testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So and then we're going to confirm that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go grab an audio file that you have that's at least 30 minutes long, or you're going to go and get a video that you can transcribe. So I don't have an audio file here, so I'm going to click on choose file, and I'll just go to one of these. I'll just choose this one. Let's see how long this is. It needs to be, might not be long enough. Well, we'll use this one anyway. No, that might not be long enough. Here, this one's long enough. All right, so we'll just open this file here. and it's adding the file, and my transcription will be ready in a few minutes. And I don't need, you can click to add or detect speakers. So we could detect speakers. There's not, I'm only the only one. So we're just going to click done on there, and it's doing that prep thing there. So what it's going to do is it's going to prepare this video, upload the video. It's going to grab that transcription, and it's going to listen to my voice, and it's going to try to mimic my voice. After that is done, this is going to take a little bit of time. Then what it's going to ask you to do is, so you see where it says submit training data. So it's going to ask you then to give authority for them to use your voice, okay, so that we're not stealing somebody else's voice. And you'll see here on the right side, overdub training, it says create your overdub voice. You can watch a short video training, which I did. Then you can add your recordings to your speech. You can submit your voice ID, which is to complete the submission. That's the statement that you're going to read. And then they'll email you within 2 to 24 hours to let you know that it's been ready. And then they have some other tips here to help you with getting that voice down better, which I'm going to be working with that. So here it is. Is it done? Oh, wow. Okay. So it looks like it's done, but it looks like it was only 9 minutes, but that's okay. We'll just go with that since we're just doing a test. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click submit training data, and it says ready to create your overdub voice. And so now I'm going to have to speak into this microphone. And so I'm going to click on my MacBook Pro microphone, and I'm going to say these words. I hereby verify that I, Katarina Cassette, am currently speaking, and that I'd like Descript to create an overdub version of my voice. I understand that this overdub voice can be used to create speech that sounds like my voice. Then we click the closed, and then we click submit. So now that's submitted, and we're going to commit. Your voice is now training. We'll email you when it's done. So this part is already done. Okay. So now let's go back. And so now you're just going to wait for that. But now let's go back to the voices, and we'll come here to Katarina's. And here's my overdub voice. Let me go back here. I don't like, let me move this around here. Okay. So I have here, you can manage your training data, manage your styles, share your voice, rename your voice, or delete your voice. So you can keep training this to get better and better and get better audios that you want so that you can get it better. But we're going to go ahead and listen to my voice right here.
First of all, we gotta please Google, and we gotta please other humans. And the other humans we need to please are not you and me. They are your clients and your leads. And
okay, so that was my voice. Not bad, right? But did you hear how crackly it was? So that's what I need feedback from you guys. Is my voice that crackly? Let's listen to that one more time.
First of all, we gotta please Google, and we gotta please other humans. And the other humans we need to please are not you and me. They are your clients and your leads. And
so I don't only notice like a kind of a crackly, but I notice a shakiness to my voice. I don't think I shake like that when I talk. But anyway, I need your feedback because I don't hear it the same way. So I'm going to keep working with this and probably work on some better audio. Maybe instead of uploading my video, I'll just do a regular, like a podcast or an audio that I would use and upload that and see if that works better. But it's not bad. Let's listen to it one more time.
First of all, we gotta please Google, and we gotta please other humans. And the other humans we need to please are not you and me. They are your clients and your leads. And
so it does sound a lot like me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like this video. Descript is a really, really cool tool. I love using it. I am an affiliate of theirs. I would love it if you use my links. They're in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and that let me know. Why don't you share your voice with me? Go into Descript, create your voice, and create a video about it and tag me in it, or tag me on Facebook Messenger, whatever, in Facebook, in my Facebook groups, or on my Facebook personal page. And so we can share with each other what our AI voices sound like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.